Let's be real, fellas. In this day and age, who couldn't use an extra $300? That's a tank of gas, a weekend getaway, or a serious upgrade to your sneaker collection. But what if I told you there's a way to make that kind of cash online, on your own time, without selling your soul or your vintage vinyl? Enter Scribie, the transcription platform that turns your typing skills into cold, hard cash. Think of it like this: people talk, you type, money appears in your account. It's like magic, but with less smoke and more dollar signs. Whether you're a night owl, a weekend warrior, or just looking for a side hustle to fuel your passions, Scribie gives you the freedom to work when and where you want. So ditch that soul-crushing commute, grab your laptop, and let's turn those keystrokes into some serious dough. Okay, so Scribie might sound too good to be true, but I promise it's legit. Here's the deal. Businesses, academics, and everyday people often need audio and video content transcribed into text. Think lectures, interviews, podcasts, even YouTube videos of cats playing the piano. Hey, don't judge. That's where you come in. As a Scribie transcriber, you'll listen to these recordings and type out what you hear, word for word. Accuracy is key here, but don't sweat it. There are tools and resources to help you along the way. The best part? You get to choose the files you want to work on. So if medical jargon makes your head spin, stick to sports highlights or tech talks. It's all about finding your niche and making that money, my friend. Ready to jump into the world of transcription and start raking in that sweet, sweet Scribie cash? Hold your horses, eager beaver. Let's get you set up first. The good news is, becoming a Scribie transcriber is easier than scoring a touchdown at an empty field. First things first, head over to the Scribie website and create an account. It's free, painless, and won't involve any blood sacrifices, unless you spill your coffee, but hey, we've all been there. Once you're in, you'll need to take a short transcription test to show off those lightning-fast typing skills. Don't worry, it's not designed to trip you up. Just take your time, focus on accuracy, and channel your inner Hemingway. Or, your inner dude who aced high school English. Once you've passed the test, congratulations. You're officially a Scribie transcriber. Now let's get you paid. Section 4. Level up your game and your earnings. Alright, rookie, you've dipped your toes into the transcription pool. Now it's time to dive in headfirst and start making waves and money. Remember, the more you transcribe, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. But hold on, there's more to it than just brute force typing. To maximize your earning potential, you've got to work smarter, not harder. Think of it like this. A seasoned chef doesn't just throw ingredients together, they carefully select the best ones and combine them in a way that creates culinary magic. Same goes for transcription. Focus on shorter, higher-paying files while you're still building speed and accuracy. Don't be afraid to try different types of content to find your groove. And most importantly, don't be a stranger to the Scribie community forums. Those guys are a goldmine of tips, tricks, and support. Section 5. Hacks and shortcuts transcribing like a boss. Let's face it, nobody wants to spend their days chained to a desk, transcribing until their fingers bleed. That's why you need to work smarter, not harder, my friend. Think of it like this. Why spend hours chopping vegetables when a food processor can do it in seconds? The same principle applies to transcription. There are tons of tools and tricks out there that can help you boost your efficiency and rake in the cash faster than you can say audio to text. First up, invest in a decent pair of headphones. Trust me, your ears and your sanity will thank you. Next, master those keyboard shortcuts like a pro gamer dominating the competition. And don't be afraid to use text expanders or voice recognition software to speed up the process. Remember, time is money, and every second saved is another dollar in your pocket. Section 6. From coffee money to concert tickets, your Scribie success story. So, there you have it, the blueprint to unlocking your inner transcription ninja and turning those idle hours into a steady stream of income. Imagine this. You wake up, grab a cup of coffee, and knock out a few transcriptions before the sun's even up. That's the beauty of Scribie. It fits into your life, not the other way around. Whether you're saving up for a down payment on a new car, fueling your sneaker addiction, or just want some extra cash to treat yourself because you deserve it, Scribie empowers you to take control of your finances and live life on your own terms. So, what are you waiting for? Join the ranks of savvy side hustlers and start building your Scribie empire today. Who knows, you might even inspire a rap song about your transcription prowess. Now, wouldn't that be something?